ActiveState has created a brand new ecosystem for Perl 532. Let me show you how to install and manage it with our new package manager, the State tool. First of all, I'll copy the command line for Windows, and I'll go to my Windows system. Paste it on the command line, and the first thing we'll do is install our new package manager, the State tool. Now that we've installed it, the State tool will go ahead and install Perl 532 for us in this default directory. I'll just accept that. What's happening now is that it's talking to our ActiveState platform and downloading the Perl 532 core libraries and installing it for us in our default location. What we've also done is we've configured it to be the global default project. So if I turn Perl -V at this point, you can see that we have indeed installed Perl 532 from ActiveState. So now if I have a CPAN file or a meta.json file, I can just type state import and then the file location. That'll get me up and running really quickly, but I can also just import dependencies one at a time. The best way to do that is to do a search from our catalog for the dependency you're looking for. So in this case, I'll search for DBI. You can see that the State tool has queried the ActiveState platform catalog and found everything with DBI in its name. And if I scroll up, here's what I'm looking for, DBI version 1643 plus 2 older versions. So I'll just go ahead and state install DBI. I'll continue anonymously, and right now the State tool is asking the ActiveState platform for a version that's compatible with my existing environment. It's finding all the dependencies that are necessary, building them all in parallel, and then downloading them and installing them locally. So very much like our old Perl package manager, everything is built for you on the server and then downloaded and installed locally. So now I've got my environment all set up. If I type state projects, I can see a list of all the projects I have currently. There's Perl 532 in this working directory, isolated from the rest of the system and ready to go.